Alright, so I just wanted to add this Swiffer sheet here. So now they all have one. I'll put this here. I'll start picking up the trash. I'll stop this right here. I found a reducer here in the back of my truck. I usually have. Well, maybe I need to find another one. I'm actually going to use the smaller entrance on this one right here. Come on, guy. There we go. Smaller hive, smaller area to guard. This is not a perfectly built box, so there's some gaps there, so might as well take advantage of that. This is trash. And this is trash. I am going to do a recap here a little bit. Let's see. Don't want to leave my smoker or my blower. All right. See up there. I'm not going to worry about that right now. They'll propylize that up, hopefully, and